Hi, my name is Sam Nussbaum, and I'm a career and academic advisor at the SOJC. This video is designed to highlight some ways to create your own opportunities to expand your skill set and build your network. If you've ever had trouble finding ways to build your experience, this video will provide you with some insight into working with an organization to create a mutually beneficial experience. So let's get started. You may find yourself in the position to create your own opportunity if there's a particular organization or cause you're passionate about that might not offer formal internships. Additionally, this is a great way to gain experience if you're just starting out. As an SOJC student, you have a lot of great skills to offer. Our curriculum is designed to help you become a strategic storyteller, and all organizations will always need effective communicators on their team. The skills you gain in classes like Gateway or through your student organizations are valuable and often in high demand, like writing, photo and video editing, and social media. You can use these skills to create opportunities in the community. This can be a mutually beneficial experience since you'll gain some content to add to your resume and portfolio, and the organization will benefit from your skills. Think back to the reflection you did earlier to consider what your goals and skills are. Let's use an example of someone who's interested in working in events management in the entertainment industry in the future. In order to reach those higher level goals, we need to think about what's accessible to us in the meantime to build experience. How can we use our skills to make a difference in the community and take a step towards the ultimate goal? Often, local nonprofits are a great way to get started as they often need the skills that SOJC students can bring to the table. For example, if you're interested in working in the entertainment industry in the future, but also enjoy working with children, think about the education groups, nonprofits, and other organizations in Eugene. A quick Google search will show that there are tons of places in our backyard to get involved, and by gaining experience here, you'll be able to demonstrate that you have relevant experience when you go to apply for more competitive internships in the future. Think of it this way: if you're creating your own opportunities, you don't have any competition when applying. When looking for a place to intern, give a thorough review of their website and other social media presence. Do you see any gaps? Is their branding on Instagram really inconsistent? Do you think they should start a newsletter or maybe a podcast? Think about what your skills are and how you can help them close these gaps. Once you've identified an organization that you're interested in, search their website to try and find a good person to contact, like a volunteer coordinator, a program manager, or someone in their communications team. Once you identify the best person to contact, see if their email address is listed and email them directly. If not, try finding them on LinkedIn and connecting with them that way. Our video on LinkedIn and networking provides some helpful insight on navigating the search features and has messaging templates. Definitely check it out. Your last resort should be contacting the general email address for the overall organization. A good rule to follow is that if they don't get back to you within 2 weeks, email again and then wait another week before emailing for a third time. And after that, move on to a new opportunity so you don't overwhelm the organization. Next, we'll go through an example of how to contact a person within an organization. Here's an example of how to reach out to an organization. A Family for Every Child is a nonprofit dedicated to helping find permanent adoptive homes for children in the community. After a review of their website, it looks like they're always looking for volunteers to help support their mission. They seem to be active on social media, keep a blog, and have opportunities to get involved in other aspects of running a nonprofit. This could be a great way to build skills in photography, social media, events management, and more. To see how to connect with them, start by reviewing their staff page to see if they have their email addresses posted or if they have a volunteer form available to fill out to start getting connected with the organization. Looks like a Family for Every Child has a designated volunteer coordinator, which would be a great person to reach out to directly. Here's an example of what to say in the outreach message. It's important to introduce yourself to this person and how you became interested in their organization. By highlighting shared goals, interests, or values, you can help form a connection with the person reading your email and make them more interested in what you have to offer. Next, it's important to highlight the skills that you'd bring and how you could help the organization further its mission. Highlight how your skills can benefit the organization rather than what you're hoping to get out of the experience. Finally, be sure to close with an active conclusion and make it easy for them to say yes. Asking for a 20-minute phone call within a designated period of time is not asking a lot of the other person, and by giving them the information about when you're available, this will prevent you from going back and forth trying to find a time to connect. Keep in mind that most organizations, especially nonprofits, will not be able to offer compensation for your work, so we encourage you to connect with an advisor to help navigate conversations around how much time and energy you're willing to commit to an organization. The SOJC is proud to offer students financial support through the SOJC Internship Fund, where students are eligible for a stipend to help support their first internship. Check out our website and chat with an advisor for more details. Thanks for listening. Be sure to check out our other career videos and schedule an appointment with SOJC Advising for additional support in creating your own opportunities.